Today, we are taking you on Etihad A380. We have flown Qatar, we have flown Emirates, but we have not flown Etihad's business class. So come with us as we explore the amenity kit, the service, the cleanliness, the food, everything it has to offer, and see if it compares to the others.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Is she escorting you?
I don't know what she... No, I don't think so.
Oh.
I don't think we're associated.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I thought that was my dad.
There's a lot of official business going on here.
Yeah, a lot of it.
But when you're officially in the business class, you take this line.
Oh,
and you
okay.
sneak
Business.
right.
We
They're four
are.
on the same reservation. Here you
We
are.
claim them.
So you're going to Delhi?
Yeah.
Do you guys have the visa?
Yes. Do you need to see those? Okay.
Oh, look at that picture.
Very pretty.
So something to consider, we have fast track security screening with Etihad business class. We also have TSA pre-check, so it's kind of a toss-up which one you use.
First time that I haven't been flagged for something through security.
Yeah, you made it smooth.
I know. We are officially headed to the lounge. We are in JFK. We just got through security. Turns out that TSA is actually just as fast and you don't have to take your shoes off. So it's like the normal thing. So which lounge are we headed to now?
So Etihad has a dedicated lounge here at JFK. Allegedly, we haven't seen it yet. So we're gonna check in once we get to the Etihad lounge here at JFK Terminal 4.
Perfect.
Yeah. All right, let's do it.
So the Etihad lounge is actually the Chase Sapphire lounge. They share that same space here at JFK. So that's an interesting thing. We thought it was a dedicated lounge, but actually it's the Chase Sapphire Reserve lounge as well as the Etihad lounge here in Terminal 4. Awesome space. We'll show you a little bit about it. They've got food on order, so you can actually order with this QR code that's on the table. And then the menu that pops up is actually pretty good. So they've got breakfast from 5 to 10:30, and then from 11 to 10:30 p.m. is lunch. And then they've got a buffet style that has a bunch of different things on it. They have lobster bisque, sapphire noodles, burger with fries, Impossible sapphire burger with fries, French fries, brownies, and a grilled cheese. Locally inspired cocktails, signature cocktails.
What'd you get?
Wow. So one of them was a honey lemon vodka Kettle One, and the other one was mezcal with agave and something else. I just want to try them. Beautiful.
Great.
It's a really cool lounge though, super comfortable, super modern, like very clean feeling. So it's got great views of the planes taking off. It's a good lounge, way better than Centurion. So, and the food's way better also.
Agreed. If I was coming here as a Chase Sapphire Reserve card holder versus an American Express Platinum card holder, I would definitely pick the Chase Sapphire lounges over the American Express lounges.
100%.
Food is better, and it's less busy.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Way
And
less
better
busy.
amenities.
Yeah. So we will see you on the plane. Actually, we will see you on the plane. I got flagged for something. They flagged me for something. I said, "Did you upgrade me to first? Is that what's going on?"
The answer I assume was no.
And yeah, she's like, no.
Upper decker. All right. Look at that big old girl. Yeah, right here.
Look at that big old girl.
Boarding the Etihad A380 always feels a little surreal. That upper deck jet bridge just hits different. Once on board, we got settled into our seats, which at first glance looked solid. The shell looked clean, decently maintained, and we were hopeful. but that hope didn't last the entire flight. Let's talk about the seat. On the surface, it looked great. You've got a decent amount of space, seat controls with light and massage functions. But let's be real, the massage felt more like a polite suggestion than an actual massage.
But then, halfway through the flight, my seat broke. Wouldn't lie flat. Which kind of defeats the purpose of a lie flat seat, right? So I had to improvise for sleep later.
Also worth noting, the charger jack was weirdly placed down near your foot. I kept hitting it every time I stood up. Why, Etihad? Why?
Etihad handed out their new amenity kits. These aren't the old Aqua di Parma ones. Now they're using Espa. Not gonna lie, the packaging looks sleek. Inside, earplugs, eye mask, dental kit, lip balm, lotion, facial mist, pretty much the essentials. Minus the scent of luxury cologne we were secretly hoping for. Oh, it's a light. Oh, what an interesting light. Huh.
For welcome drinks, they offered champagne or the classic Middle Eastern mint lemonade. I went non-alcoholic, but Tay went full glam with the bubbly. You've got a balance.
Cheers, mate.
I don't have any drinks.
Cool. Doesn't have any drinks.
Taylor, where did you get you? Oh.
I can't
I'm over
see
here.
Glad I didn't hit somebody else.
Oh, I know.
You almost got
Brent kicked off this flight.
Got our hot towels, got our slippers. You hit me right in my menu.
Yes.
Yes. There's also a lounge on board, which is basically a cozy circular area that seats around 6 or 7. It's not the Emirates bar, but it's a vibe. The bathroom though, it's showing its age. One of the doors didn't really want to close, and the amenities inside were also Espa. Bergamot and jasmine hand cream, and a few other spa-inspired bits. Service kicked off with drinks and warm nuts. For appetizers, I had the prawn salad, a side salad, and a bread roll. The prawns were so good, I low-key stole my dad's too. He was not thrilled. Sorry, Dad.
I went with the mezza, and I've got to say, it was one of the better ones that I've had between the 3 big Middle Eastern carriers. Fresh, well-seasoned, definitely a win. Oh, and a quick moment of humanity. Some guy borrowed my charger mid-flight, so I had to set a timer just in case he forgot to return it. It was that guy, but it was cool and brought it back, so faith in humanity restored. For the main, I had the braised beef cheek with asparagus, broccoli, peas, and creamy polenta, and another bread roll. It was rich, tender, and definitely the airline's fine dining at its best.
Oh yeah.
I had the the branzino over a crispy tostada, topped with mango and avocado salsa. Fancy, flavorful, and honestly one of the better fish dishes I've had in the sky.
Dessert was a trio: cheese plate, chocolate cake with passion fruit sauce, and some fresh fruit. You know, we tried everything.
Etihad also served their signature drink, pretty and purple, and they brought out some mandolins too. Cute touch.
Before bed, we scrolled through the in-flight entertainment. Decent selection. Then I made up the seat, or tried to. The footwell is narrow, so even with the mattress pad, Armani, Casa Blanket, and pillow, it was tough to get truly comfortable. The pajamas though, surprisingly soft. We love a good airline pajama moment, even if the bed was a little snug.
Midway through the flight, we headed to the lounge to stretch out and relax with the fam. Just water this time, no cocktails. But it was a nice little break from our seats, especially mine, since it was broken.
It was actually one of our favorite moments, just chilling mid-flight, talking, laughing, and enjoying that we were all together. Flying halfway across the world in style, kind of surreal.
We've got about 6 hours, 5.5 hours left of the flight.
Ooh, is this water?
We're exploring this lounge area, which is really cool. They've got this water that's infused, and then wine.
Is that for everybody?
And you can make mixed drinks right here. Right.
Yeah, and then they got sparkling, regular wine,
Yep.
plains, and
Wine.
champagne.
Where are the glasses at?
I took the last one, but you could probably use one of those.
Oh, cool. Yeah. What are your thoughts on the flight so far?
Well, compared to Emirates and Qatar, definitely falls below them,
Yeah.
I would say, but
I would say third place out of the three.
yeah, but the food has been really good.
Yeah, that
Oh, I was
food has
gonna
been
talk to
phenomenal.
Yeah. My dad got the beef. I don't know why he didn't get the branzino, because it was delicious.
Because real men eat beef.
Back at our seats, we decided to give the snack menu a try. We ordered the Reuben and crisps, and honestly, it hit the spot. Not fancy, but salty. It was warm and perfect for the late flight craving.
Okay, guys, I just woke up.
I just woke up too.
Oh, you did? You woke me up.
I know.
Good timing. We got probably like 5 hours of sleep total, which was pretty nice.
Yeah.
My bed ended up actually not being able to go all the way flat again, like midway through the flight. So my bed was pretty uncomfortable.
We're 35 minutes from landing, actually, in Abu Dhabi.
I think he wants to give you something.
Oh, does he?
I think.
Oh, warm towel.
I can't get my chair back up.
Thank you. All right, guys. We are at the end of the flight. We're 35 minutes from landing in Abu Dhabi. Just to give you our final thoughts on the flight. We thought overall, back to the main question, did it compare? Well, we thought it came in third out of the three. Emirates, Qatar, and then Etihad. It's a great airline. Don't get me wrong. Great airline. I'd fly this airline any day of the week. There were just some service issues. I mean, so it was kind of hit or miss at the beginning. It took about almost 2 hours to get our food, all of our food. So some appetizers came out, some didn't. Some mains came out, some didn't. So it was just kind of hit or miss at the beginning. And then sometimes it was a little bit hard to get a hold of people throughout the flight. But otherwise, they also ran out of several of the food options.
That was a bummer.
Mid-flight. So we had like our mid-flight snack about the 6 hour point. So like halfway through, there were only certain food options available. It
And
was
then
dine
they're
on-
out of the others.
Yeah, it was dine on demand, and you only got to choose like out of like just like the snack menu, which is unfortunate.
And there wasn't very many options.
Yeah, Tay and I both had the pastrami sandwich, which very salty and gave it some heartburn for sure.
Heartburn City.
But we don't want to sound like we're complaining.
No, just
Everybody was
giving an honest review.
very friendly, and we'd definitely fly it again. You know, I think what I'm noticing is that the A380 is getting old. So what I would rather do is fly a much newer airplane like the A350. That hands down is the best flying experience for us these days. The A350, it's modern, it's quiet, it's great.
My chair is moving on its own.
It's awesome. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay curious. Love you guys.